Tesla coming back down quick. If it stays under 204, we may see 203 really quickly. Green to red on both NQ and Tesla. Tesla's pulling back quicker. I'm in these. Here we go, breakout. NQ got the head start of low of day, but NQ is following suit. He's trying to go to green to red here. About to get out here. Tesla green to red. New low on Tesla. There it goes. New low. Paying attention to this weakness. I'm about to get out of here. Still more room for downwards. Look at NQ. NQ's dropping hard. Strong weakness. I'm out. There we go. 180 pounds.